CircuitWorks 2013 now offers a high level of support of industry-standard ProStep, IDF, and PATS files, and provides a more accurate representation of complex multilayer boards, bridging even more the gap between ECAD and MCAD. It now enables users to quickly and efficiently preview printed circuit board with distinct conductive and insulated layers, plated or non-plated non-circular holes, bland holes, and copper traces regardless of the side of the board. Copper pads for surface-mounted components, vertical through-hole pads, also called vias, and filled or keep-out areas are supported as well. This added level of detail gives mechanical engineers the ability to fully understand and evaluate the job at hand. And as with other entities, these new features are grouped by type in specific categories. In addition to the usual electric parts, mechanical components like bolts, stiffeners, or heatsinks defined in ECAD files are now properly recognized and listed. If necessary, the component type can even be modified and overwritten directly from the property pane. Also, the new components or the parts that are missing information are flagged to be rapidly identified. To take into account the new features and entities integrated and offer the same level of flexibility and clarity, the filters along with the preview toolbar were updated too. The different layers of conductive and insulating materials which constitute the multilayer board can be hidden or shown, while the vias, for example, can be filtered out by size like standard circular holes. As always with CircuitWorks, the magic happens when exporting the PCB to SolidWorks. Any filtered out or unwanted part, like this keep out, will be ignored. Then, within just a couple of seconds, SolidWorks is capable of modeling and perfectly translating all the ECAD data, including the copper traces and the multiple layers, to create an accurate representation of the PCB. All the electrical components, microchips, resistors, and transistors are populated from the library and placed precisely on the board. The result has been greatly improved and it's simply impressive. The 3D model generating can be used long before the first prototype is being manufactured to conduct thermal analysis, test and validate all aspects of fit and function, or for marketing purposes. Combined with SolidWorks solutions, CircuitWorks 2013 proved itself to be an invaluable collaboration tool for electrical and mechanical design teams.